What's up everyone, Patrick here, welcome back. Moving on to the next question. So math contest has 30 multiple choice questions, and then a student earns 5 points for a correct answer, but then loses 2 points for an incorrect answer. They do not score or lose any points for not answering a question. So you could leave a question blank and nothing would happen. A student answered 25 questions and scored 76 points. How many questions were answered incorrectly? So what we got to do here is, like usual, set up a system of equations. So we're going to have two variables. So we'll let x be the number of correct answers that the student answers. And then let y be number of incorrect answers. And notice that in the question, we're told that they answer 25. So there are 30 on the test, but in total, they answer 25, and so we know that x plus y has to equal 25, right? Because 5 of the questions were left blank, and that could be some kind of strategy to potentially leave them blank so you're not losing the 2 points if you really don't know how to answer a question. So since 25 questions were actually answered, well, a portion of them are going to be correct, a portion of them are going to be incorrect. So x plus y is 25. And then we're also told that the total score was 76 points. So for all correct answers, you get 5 points. So 5 times the number of questions that were answered correctly. And then for any incorrect answers, you lose 2 points. So it would be minus 2 times y. And that has to equal 76. So those are the two equations that you set up in this question. So notice the 30 we didn't even use in the setup of the equation. So that was a trick right there. And then from here to solve this, I feel like it's best to do substitution. So what I'll do is I'll isolate for the y, bring the x over. So y equals 25 minus x. Then I'm going to take this, I'll plug it in here. So I'll have 5x minus 2 times 25 minus x equals 76. So we'll have 5x minus 50 plus 2x equals 76. After I distribute that negative 2 inside the bracket, that's what we get. Bring the 50 over. 5x plus 2x gives us 7x. And over here, we would end up with 126, like that. So then, x is basically equal to 126 divided by 7, which would give us, what, 18? Right, 126 divided by 7 gives us 18. And so then y, so that's the number of correct answers, but they're asking how many questions were answered incorrectly, so that's the y value, which would be 25 minus 18 from here, or from this equation, which would give us 7. So the answer is 7 questions were answered incorrectly. That's the final answer to the question. And then you could check the answers. You could take 18, you could take 7. Over here, the first equation pans out. Over here, we'd have 5 times 18, which would give us 90, minus 2 times 7, which would give us 14. So 90 minus 14, 76. We could be pretty confident that those are the solutions.